Always getting distracted. Never seem to have enough time in the day. Do you? Never enough time in the day to get everything you need done? Are your time management skills poor? Or life management skills? Very much so. Tough to deal with. See if I can make this U-turn. Okay. That U-turn. Okay. So, what I want to talk about is something that's been on my mind for a while. I've been in a small business space for quite a few years. Never really got traction with these things for a number of reasons. Number one is that I deal with substance abuse, which is alcohol, and so throughout my life, it's been a battle for me. It's been a test. It's been a true test. Basically started when I got out of the Army. And number two is that as I was growing up as a kid, the main subject in the house was money. Even though my grandmother had a candy business and my dad worked really hard, all they talked about is money. And throughout the years, I basically created a love-hate relationship with money. Never really could make it. Never really could keep it. And anytime I would have an abundance of it, I would squander it off. Now, like I said, I'm an entrepreneur that is always thinking about how to make money, but it never comes. So basically what I want to build this business or my brand around is being able to balance your life out enough where you don't become obsessed with the money aspect of business. If that's all you think about is how much you can make and stuff like that, you'll never make it. And number two, and this is, I'm speaking for myself, is that I put myself under extreme pressure to reach these money numbers, and when I don't, I self-sabotage. The next thing I know, I'm drinking. So it's been a constant roller coaster throughout my life to be able to eliminate both of them. To be able to go out of my business and do my business because I love to do the business and it's not fueled or motivated by money. And at the same time, replace that concept of money with value. Okay? So I know that if I have a low skill job or labor, I'm going to get low skill pay. Now, right now, what I do is for additional income, I go out and I do Uber and Lyft, which is good. But that's not going to sustain me over a period of time where, what if I get to the point where I can't work anymore? I do have money coming in each month, but at the same time, if I don't have that extra buffer, it's going to fall apart. So what I have to do is I have to find a number three. I have to find something that I can go out and like to do, which is value, increasing my value to the marketplace, and in turn be able to take care of myself and family. As you notice, I didn't say make a lot of money. So, there's going to be a lot of aspects and facets to this. And so a lot of times I'm not sticking to one money It's going to be an array of things that I'm going to talk about, from health and fitness, eating right, to relationships. A lot of times when we grow up a certain way, and we take on these certain characteristics and traits and don't even realize we have them until later on in life, and you look back and say, wow, what a dumbass. I'm sorry to say that, but yeah, it's not a good thing. So here I am, 64 years old, looking to make a new start, looking to make a difference in the marketplace. And I'll talk more about that, my past and different things that I've went through in the past. But today I'm starting with this, and thank you very much. Oh yeah, like and subscribe, share it with somebody, and just subscribe, because you'll start to see this content evolve. I'm just now getting back into doing videos, so it's going to take me a few minutes, but you know what? It's going to be well worth it, okay? So like, subscribe, share it with somebody. See you later. What the heck?